गुरु गोबिंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए। गुरु गोबिंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए। बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा। गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, the Sanskrit shloka and the couplets from Kabir Das, which I just now recited, shows the special status a teacher enjoys in Indian culture. In Indian culture, teachers are revered like deities, like gods. The role of a teacher is very essential in shaping or molding the future citizens of a society. A Teacher's Day is an endeavor to acknowledge, venerate, appreciate, and celebrate the role of teachers in these regards. The inception of a Teacher's Day goes way back in the 19th century throughout the world. But based on their local educators, every country has its own separate days for the celebration of a Teacher's Day. India also celebrates Teacher's Day on 2 days. First in the form of Guru Purnima, in the full moon day of Ashad month of the Indian calendar, and second on 5th of September to commemorate the birthday of India's first Vice President and second President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji. So on this special auspicious occasion, I take this opportunity to congratulate all the teachers throughout this universe who are spending their quality time, efforts in shaping or molding the future generations, the posterity of the planet Earth. May the Almighty bless you all, and really thanks all of you for this noble profession. Now this is the right time. Now this is the right time to pass the baton, to give back to the society, to give back to the posterity, the future generations of our society, what we have learnt from our teachers to make this earth a nice planet for all of us. Let us contribute to this cause of spreading good education to our future generations, to our posterity. Thank you very much.